Hey boys and girls, on your math problem set today, it says solve the math stories, complete and label the number bond and the picture bond, lightly shade in the solution. So number one, Jill was given a total of 5 flowers for her birthday. So they drew the total of 5 flowers here. She put 3 of the flowers in one vase, the rest in the other. How many flowers did she put in the other vase? So you're going to fill in your number bond, and you're going to think 3 plus how many more makes 5. That's going to be how many flowers she put in the other vase. And then if you know 3 plus this equals 5, I know 5 minus 3 equals that mystery part. So you're going to draw in that mystery part here. Go ahead and pause and do that. Number 2, Kate and Nana were baking cookies. They made 5 heart-shaped cookies and then made some square cookies. They made 8 cookies all together. How many square cookies did they make? I don't know because it only said some. I know she made 5 heart cookies, so you're going to draw a picture, 5 heart cookies. And I know that they made 8 all together, so I'm going to draw my 8 all together. I have to figure out my missing part. If she made 5 heart cookies, how many square cookies? And then go fill in the rest of this. On this page here, you're still going to draw the picture. They don't give you a spot for it. It says solve, complete and label the number bond and the picture number bond. Circle the unknown number. Bill has 2 trucks. His friend James came over with some more. Together they have 6 trucks. How many trucks did James bring over? Well, I know Bill has 2 of the trucks. I'm going to draw 1, 2. Make it a number bond. I know James came over with some, so I don't know what that part is. But I know their total together is 6. So fill in your number bond and fill in your answers. Press pause and go ahead and do that. Here's an example of what it should look like, but those aren't the right numbers. Number 4, Jane caught 5 fish before she stopped to eat lunch. After lunch, she caught some more. At the end of the day, she had 9 fish. How many fish did she catch after lunch? Again, draw your picture number bond. Here's her 5 fish before she stopped to eat. Here's her some more. And here's her total. At the end of the day, she had 9. You have to figure out how many she caught after lunch. Good luck. Make sure you check your answers once you're done on the answer key.